Yes, good evening, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. So, as per the promise, we are here once again with the qualifier series. And, guys, today we are going to have this fourth episode for probability. And today we are going to see the problems on conditional probability. Okay. And also, last time we have covered the problems on the dice and the coin, but we have not seen the problems on the cards. So we will see the card problems, and also we will see Bayes theorem, that is also somewhere related to conditional probability and total probability as well. So all these things were left from the normal probability. Today we are going to solve all the questions related to these concepts. Then next weekend we will be covering the random variable part. Okay. With that, probability will be over, and then we will start differential equation from the October weekends. Okay, Aritro, thanks dear. Malesh, good evening, aspirant. Yes, guys. All of you. Papa Ka Ghoda is also there. Fine. So without wasting the time, we are starting. Okay, and theory wise, I already taught you what is conditional theorem, conditional probability. I already told you the total probability. I already taught you all the basic cases. Okay, so this is the Telegram channel. You can join that to get the PDF, handwritten notes, and all the informations. Okay, all the information related to the exams, related to the, you can say, cutoff, number of candidates, all such sessions, exam analysis are coming on my Telegram channel. Danish, good evening. If any of your known one have qualified ESE prelims and mains, he can register for the ESE mock interview. Link is available. So guys, we have already seen basics. I already taught you in the first class only. Okay, still this is a revision where I told you for card problem, we must be aware of these small things. 52 cards are divided into 26 and 26. 26 are red color, 26 are black in color. In red, we have 13 of diamond, 13 of heart. Okay, Hindi, those who know Hindi, so we were calling it eat in the Hindi language. Okay, and it is, what is the name of this? Anybody remember? This is chidi. Anybody remember? Pan. Yes, in the Hindi, what we call them? Yes. Okay, so guys, now we are starting. So these are the details which are required for the card problems. One more things, guys, these are said to be the face card, and other than these, whatever cards are there, ace and 2 to 10, they are said to be the place card. Okay, so this is the name of the card. Ajit, good evening dear, how are you? Sir, actually I will not be able to attend today's class actually. Okay, no issues, Vineet, no issues. So guys, now we are solving the questions. So because we have already discussed the concept in the very first class, okay, so we are left with the questions on this topic. Jitesh, good evening. So a card is drawn at random from an ordinary pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of its being a king, 6 or heart, neither 7 nor spade. These are 3 questions. Okay. So we are starting with card problem, then we will move on to the conditional probability problem, then we will see Bayes theorem, total probability, and with this we will complete today's session. I am having around 17-18 questions today for you. Yes, aspirant is saying for first, to have a king, the probability to have a king. So my dear, the probability to have a king, you know that there are 4 kings, one of spade, other of heart, other of diamond. Okay, so if we have 4, so you can write it as 4c1 by 52c1. Is it like that? So it will be 4 by 52, answer will be 13. 1 by 13. So first is 1 by 13. Answer will remain the same if they ask about ace also. Ace also, the answer will remain the same. Next is, my dear, a 6 or heart. The probability of 6 or heart. Yes, 6 or heart. Okay, for that also many students have given the answer. Like Papa Ka Ghoda, aspirant have said 16 by 52. Okay, so it is actually saying 6 union heart. Okay, that is what you need to find out. So my dear, what is the probability of getting 6? What is the probability of getting 6? 6 will be available for 4 shades. So we can have 4C1 by 52C1. Then what is the probability of a heart? 13C1 by 52C1. And what is the probability? You know that this is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability. These all things I taught you in the last class. Today we are just going to solve questions of the pending things. Okay, this is the case. So there will be a possibility that that card can be 6 and heart both. That is, how many possibilities are there? I feel it is 1 by 52. So the answer will be coming out to be what? Are we getting 1 by 13 here? Yes. Are we getting the answer to be? Let me see what we are getting. It is 16 by 52. So answer by Papa Ka Ghoda and Ganesh are correct. Yes. Arithro's second case is they are saying either we will get a 6 or we will get a heart. I have just shown you the card problem. You know 6 will be available in diamond also, in heart also, in spade also, in club also. So that is why there are possibility if any of that 4 I will choose. So 4C1 by 52C1. 4 में से 1 बटे 52 में से 1. And then we are having the heart. Okay, how many heart are there? You can see there are total 13 hearts are there. So for 13 heart I will say 13C1. कोई भी एक कार्ड उन 13 में से बटे 52 में से कोई एक कार्ड. Then my dear 6 and heart both can be only 1. So that is why we have written 1 by 52. Okay, you can also write 1C1 by 52C1. The answer will be 16 by 52. If he is saying neither 7 nor spade, neither 7 nor spade. So my dear, you can also say it is probability of 7 or spade. 7 or spade. If you are talking about 7 or spade. So my dear, you can see we are calling about this as spade. So my dear, 7 or spade. 7 or spade. So when we are talking about 7 or spade, it will be probability of 7 plus probability of spade minus probability of 7 intersection spade. Then you know they have asked neither nor. So neither nor will be neither nor will be, what will be that? That will be 1 minus probability of 7 union spade. And if you see the 7 or spade, it is very much similar to the 6 or heart. So the probability for that will be once again going to be 16 or 52. So it is going to be 1 minus 16 by 52. Now I feel you can see what would be the answer. I feel the answer should be, it is 42, Mrs. 6 gya, 36 by 52. Am I correct? Yes, very good Vinay, very good Ajit, Malesh. I am very happy to see you guys. Is it clear? So answer will be 36 by 52. Already answer have been given by many students. It's correct. So guys, moving to the next question. Meanwhile, you can like the session so that other students also join. So guys, I already taught you all the discussions of theory part in the first and second session. Okay. But we have not solved the problems on the card. We have not solved the problem on the conditional probability. Hai na? So today we are going to solve conditional probability, Bayes theorem, total probability, everything, cards problem. And in the next weekend, be ready for random variable. I know majority of you have doubts in random variable. So be ready for that. Next weekend is dedicated to random variables. And after that in October, we will start differential equation. And from October onward, we will keep 2 classes per week or 1 class of 2 hours. Whatever you prefer. Okay. But I will fulfill my promise. And we will also have class on public holidays. Okay. So that we can complete the maths. 4 cards are drawn at random from pack of 52 cards. Okay. Probability that all 4 cards are drawn from same suit. All 4 cards are drawn from the same suit. What is the probability of that? What is the probability of that? What is the probability of that? Probability of all 4 cards from the same suit. Yes, Lakshmi, good evening. Try to solve it, guys. All cards from the same suit. Yes. Tell me, what would be the answer? All 4 cards are drawn from the same suit. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Same suit means either all are hurt or all are club or all are spade. Likewise. So Ajit is saying the answer is 1/13. 4 cards are drawn at random from the pack of 52 cards. Probability that all 4 cards are from the same suit. Solve it, guys. I am waiting for all of you to answer. All 4 are from the same suit. Yes, solve it, solve it, solve it. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, guys, what would be the answer for this? So, my dear, when you are drawing 4 cards, if it is from the same suit, it will be 13C1 by 52C1. Okay, is it clear? 13C1 or 13C1, 13C4 plus 52C4. This is the probability that we are taking all the 4 cards from the heart. Sorry, from the eat. What is eat? Eat is heart. Heart. Or what is eat? One is heart, other is club, other is spade. What is the 4th one? Diamond. Okay. So that is why actually those students who are playing the cards, they face problems with the English names. That's why I am writing like this. So 13C4 by 52C4. You can take all the 4 from the diamond, plus you can also take all the 4 from the spade. Then also you will be getting all 4 from the same suit. You can also take all the 4 from the heart. You can also take all the 4 from the club. In all the 4 cases, you will get all the 4 cards from the same suit. So that's why I have added their probabilities. So can you tell me what would be the answer for this? And what would be the answer for this? It is 13C4 by 52C4 means 13 by 52. 13 by 52, is it like that? Into 4. Into 4. What is that? Arey yaar, people are saying answer in decimal. Tell me in terms of this. What would be the answer? Yes. Everybody is getting 0.015. 0.0105. Okay, 0.0105. Okay, if you want to solve like that, you can directly write this is 13C4. So it will be 4 factorial divided by 13 factorial, 4 factorial. Okay, you can solve it like that. Okay, fine. So this is how we can do this. The answer will be 0.0105. So I am writing in this way. I am expecting that you will be solving this because we have done in the first 2 classes the solution of all these such. Okay, yes. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? 13C4 by 52C4 plus 13C4 by 52C4. Because if it is going to be from diamond, all the 4 or all the 4 are from spade or all the 4 from heart or all the 4 from club. In all the cases, you will be having all the 4 cards from the same suit. Very good, Aritro. The answer is correct. Moving to the second. No 2 cards are drawn from the same suit. No 2 cards are drawn from the same suit. No 2 cards are drawn from the same suit. What is the probability of that? No 2 cards. No 2 cards from same suit. Today we are going to solve a wonderful type of questions? Tell me that. When we are talking about no two cards of the same suit, it is feasible when? It is feasible when, let us say one card we are taking from one, 13C1, 52C1. Second card, he is asking no two card from the same suit. Okay, so second card will be from the second set of 52, 13C1 by, now we are left with 51C1. Okay, this is the second. And then my dear, once again, you know that you are taking 4 cards out. So third card should be once again from the third set of 13, 50C1. And fourth card, once again from the next one, 50 की जगह हो जाएगा 49C1. And this is like, you can assume, maybe first one is diamond, second one is heart, okay, then third one is this, fourth one is, sorry, I am not very good at drawing, okay, so like that. So guys, now we can also get first diamond, second heart, third this and fourth this, spade and club. We can also get first this, second this, third this and fourth this. So they can arrange in 4 factorial ways. So this will be your final answer. Can you tell me what you are getting as answer? I have not calculated the final calculation. I have calculated like that only. So can you tell me what would be the answer? 13 by 52 into 13 will become 13 by 51, 13 by 50, 13 by 49 into 4 factorial. You can solve and get the answer. It means all cards should be different. Yes, Jitesh. Why? Because they are saying no two cards. So if you see first card is this, then second card cannot be this. Then second is something, third cannot be this. Because no two cards are same. That is the point. Okay, so that is the point. Everybody got it? Everybody got it. So guys, these are the types of question which will be there in exam. Where I shall give reply, I have not seen anything written by you, Arithro. You have given the answer. I said yes, the answer is correct. 4 factorial aspirant, because like if we are getting first heart, first diamond, second heart, you can also get first heart and second diamond. So these 4 can also arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways. Because we don't know now which one we are going to get first. We can get first diamond as well, first heart as well, first spade as well, first club as well. Is it clear? Yes. So you can solve it, guys, and you will get the answer. So everybody is getting the same answer, 0.105. 0.105. So Arithro, I didn't see, but whatever answer you have given, that is correct. I already told you that. You may not have listened to that. Moving to the next question, guys. Next question is objective question from GATE. This is a PYQ of GATE, and very good question. 2 cards are drawn at random in succession with replacement from a deck of 52 well shuffled cards. Probability of getting aces. Probability of getting 2 aces. Solve it. Yes, they have mentioned it with replacement. They have mentioned it with replacement. Do like the session, guys. And guys, are you happy with the way we are going ahead? I have also shared the practice problems to you. If anybody wants to connect with me personally and he is preparing and following my complete maths and following my all the revision series, please message me on the Telegram so that I can add you in my personal WhatsApp group where I am guiding a specific set of students. Okay? Yes, very good. So I am sharing there some materials to practice. I shared mathematics, at least more than 500 questions are there. If you want to practice them, they are from 3 topics I have already shared. I shared you production practice set, and by 1 or 2 days you will get the strength of material practice set. Everything is going on for you guys. Okay, Arithro is saying 0.764. Dear, these are the options. I don't know why you are giving the answer in decimal. You need to tell me A, B or C or D. Jeetu Kumar, you are correct for the last question. But this question is clearly having the option 1 by 169, 1 by 13, 2 by 169, 2 by 13. What would be the answer? Ajit is saying 2 by 13. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं ऑलरेडी दे चुका हूं ना रित्रो, प्रीवियस का मैं ऑलरेडी दे चुका हूं ना। और वैसे मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, डोंट गो बाय दिस कैलकुलेशन, दिस यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ. दिस इज माय आंसर. I am not calculating after that. When I see the question, I just write up to this much. After that, all the calculations you need to do into 4 factorial. Okay. Papa Gagoda, you need to message me. If you have my number, message me on WhatsApp. If you don't have, message me on Telegram. I will add you into my group of WhatsApp where I am guiding to the students. Okay, what would be the answer, guys, for this? Ajit is saying D. Yes, aspirant. Jeetu, Vinay, Malesh, Ajit. Here we have options. So here there is no problem of decimal and all. I will take care next time because I was not expecting that you will give answer in decimal. I have just written the answer like that. Okay, so I don't know after calculation what it will come. But all of you are saying this, so I assume that it is going to be correct. Okay, A is aspirant is saying A. So guys, let us see how to solve it. We are having 52 cards. Out of these 52 cards, how many are aces? There are 4 aces. One of each suit. One is heart. One is spade. Everybody know that. So if we have 4 aces total out of 52 cards, if first card I am taking from these 4, it will be 4C1 by 52C1. I got first ace. This is the probability of getting first ace. After that, he is saying that I am going, probability of getting aces you need to find if we are going to be replacement, with replacement. Means whatever the ace I got, I am keeping it once again to the card of 52. The pack of 52. So once again I have 52 cards, and once again what is the probability of getting the ace? Once again the same, 4C1 by 52C1. So this is the probability of getting first ace, probability of getting second ace. What is going to be that? I feel this will be 1 by 169. Answer will be A for this. Everybody got it? Everybody understood? Arithro, Dhanesh, Jeetu, you got your mistake or not? Please tell me. Malesh and aspirant have given the correct answer. Please tell me, every student, if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Everybody got it? Those who are giving wrong answer, I feel they have not done last week session. In the last week session, I told you what we need to do with replacement, what we need to do without replacement. Answer is A for this. No issues. We are having a large number of questions. From a pack of regular playing cards, 2 cards are drawn at random. What is the probability that both cards are? This is not rings, it is kings. Both are kings if first one is not replaced. What is the probability of getting 2 kings if first one is not replaced? What is the probability of getting 2 kings if first one is not replaced? This is without replacement. This is without replacement. Without replacement. So you have 52 cards. Initially we have 4 kings. When you are taking the first card. When you are taking the second card, then you will be having 51 cards. And you will be having 3 kings. So what is the probability of getting 2 kings? Tell me that. I have given you the hint as well. Okay. Total number of cards are 2. 2 cards. Tell me, guys. Yes, dear. in the previous question, he said 2 cards are drawn at random in succession. So when he is saying in succession means one by one. Once you will take one, you will keep it back. Then second one. So because of this word in succession, you have not understood that. Okay, Papa Ka Ghoda, I feel I answered you. This time the answer is D. You guys are correct. Because this time it is not written in succession. This time you are taking 2 cards. Okay. And when you are taking 2 cards, first one is from 52 cards from 4 kings. The probability is 4C1 by 52C1. But then you are left with 51 card, 3 kings. 3C1, 52C1. So you will be multiplying these two. You will get the answer to be 1 by 221. So the answer is 4C1 by 52C1 into 3C1 by 51C1. The answer is 1 by 221. Everybody understood the meaning of both? Everybody understood the meaning of both? What to do with replacement, what to do without replacement? Papa Ka Ghoda have asked a wonderful question. That, sir, they have written 2 cards, but you have not seen they have card in succession. Okay, succession means one after the other. Are you getting it? Arithro, the answer is 1 by 221, not 121. So you have, I feel, mistyped. Everybody is getting, guys. मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Please बताइए, because for you guys I am taking mathematics after 8 years. So you need to be happy for that. Then only it is beneficial for me to take. Great, great, great. Next question. So in this chapter, there is more about practice because it is mathematics. Okay. But mind it, differential equation is going to be at different level once again. 4 cards are randomly selected from a pack of 52 cards. If first 2 cards are king, what is the probability that third card is a king? It is not ring, it is king. Okay. So this is a wonderful question. Let us see how many of you give the correct answer to this one. This is a wonderful question. Wonderful question. Arithro 100 भी कराएंगे, don't worry. 100 से ज्यादा कराएंगे. Great. And dear, next weekend is going to be very important. We are going to do your weakest part, random variable, which will become your strongest now. Random variable. Yes, 4 cards are drawn randomly. They have given the confirmation that first 2 cards are king. What is the probability that third is also a king? This type of question also I explained last weekend. Solve it, give the answer, and do like the session, guys. Wonderful, 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 guys. बहुत ही शानदार. So one side India Australia match is going on. Second side some students are doing mathematics for GATE. Who will get result? Obviously those who are studying. Tell me, guys. This is different. I know that. Try at least. Malesh, Arithro, Lakshmi, Danesh. Try at least. Tell me. हाँ, that's, अरे भाई कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं होगा, सब कर लोगे तो फिर मेरे होने का फायदा क्या है? अलग होना चाहिए ना. Every question should give you something different. Okay, Ma is saying A, 4 by 52. Okay, what about others? Vinay Joshi is saying B, 2 by 50. Very good. Malesh is saying A. Okay. Wonderful. At least you guys have tried. And Vinay and Papa Ka Ghoda have given the correct answer, 2 by 50. Now listen to me, those who are doing the mistake. My dear, when he is saying with confirmation that first 2 cards are kings, so the probability of first two cards king is 100%. Because he already said, like if I ask you what is the probability that India will win the first ODI match with India Australia which have already happened. Can you tell me the probability of winning of India? The match is already happened. First ODI between India Australia, what is the probability of that? What is the probability of that? First India Australia ODI which have already happened. You know India won. What is the probability of that India won? Probability is 100% because we know India already won. So the event which have already happened, for that probability, how you will calculate, no? So similarly, if I ask, what is the probability that India will win the Asia Cup of 2023? 100%. It is already India won. So my dear, that's why the probability of first king is 100%. The probability of second king is 100%. And if already two kings are out, what is the probability of third king? We are left with two kings only. So 2c1. We are left with 50 cards only. 50c1. The answer will be 2 by 50. From now onward, will you do mistake in such type of questions? From now onward, will you do any mistake in such type of questions? Everybody tell me. From now onward, will you be able to do this type of questions? My target is to prepare you for all the types of question. Okay. Great. Moving to the next question. 3 cards were drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that they are a king, a queen, and a jack, they have not said in the sequence. They have only said the probability of getting a king, a queen, and a jack. Solve it. Okay. यार ये पापा वापा, इसके पापा उसके पापा, ये सब नाम मत रखा करो यार, सीधे नाम से आया करो. नाम तुम्हें चेंज भी करना है तो ठीक है, किसी का नाम अजय है वो सुमित रख ले. ये क्या नाम होता है, पापा का घोड़ा, इसका घोड़ा. बोलते भी अजीब लगेगा. सोचो जो कोई, इफ एनी स्टूडेंट इज गोइंग टू वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दिस सेशन, टीचर इज सेइंग पापा का घोड़ा इज सेइंग दिस, इसका पापा इज सेइंग दिस. व्हाट इज दैट? Aritro, please look at the question carefully. 2 cards are already out now. Out of 52, 2 cards are already out. This is the third card you are going to take out. They have not mentioned it with replacement, but they have not asked about the fourth card now. They are asking about third card. So we need not to bother about fourth card. Okay. We need not to bother about fourth card. They are asking about third card. ये कोई कहानी थोड़ी चल रही है कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा, पूछ रहे हो आप. इट इज कि चौथा कार्ड क्या निकला होगा. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन अरित्रो. ठीक है. सॉल्व इट. वंडरफुल यार. सॉल्व इट, सॉल्व इट, सॉल्व इट. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज 3 cards are drawn at random and from a pack of 52 cards the probability that they are queen, king and jack. Tell me, what would be the answer? Options are in front of you. Solve it, solve it, solve it. This is a very good question from GATE. This is a PYQ. As there are many branches, so I am taking some question from computer science, some from electronics, some for mechanical, some from civil, some from electrical, like that. Some from XC, some from IN. Many options I have. And I have given you the practice question from different areas, different books. So be ready, do practice whatever best and maximum is possible from your side. अरित्रो, एक्सी में मैथ होता है एंड मैकेनिकल में तो 13 नंबर का होता है, एक्सी में 15 नंबर का होता है. ठीक है. बिकॉज 70 मार्क्स फॉर टेक्निकल, 15 फॉर मैथ्स एंड 15 फॉर एप्टीट्यूड एंड इंग्लिश. वेरी गुड गाइस, आई एम हैप्पी टू सी द आंसर्स. सो एस्पायरेंट, पापा का घोड़ा, I have said A. Daily motivational and vlogs is saying B. Fine. So I would like to say this A is correct. Let us see how the answer will be A. So my dear, let us say we are having total 52 cards, in which 4 jacks, 4 queens, 4 kings are there. Okay, and when we are finding out probability, let us take that first we are getting this one card from this jack. So it will be 4C1 by 52C1. Now we are left with 51 cards. So the next card when you will be taking this should be from the queen, 4C1, 51C1. Next card should be from the king, 4C1, 50C1. And what is the guarantee that first one will be jack, second one will be queen, third one will be king? They can be in different sequence also. 3 factorial. So when you will be solving this, answer will be coming out to be what? 16 by 5525. Okay, and if they say respectively, they do not mention ki like now they are saying just these 3. They are not saying that sequence. But if they say sequentially, then we will not be having this 3 factorial. Their answer will be this. So that's why I personally mentioned that take generalized case. Because when GATE asks this question, they also give answer like taking this generalized case. Because they have not mentioned respectively. Okay. So answer will be A for this. Moving to question number. Okay. This is for homework. Okay. So you can do it as homework. This is already available in the notes provided by me, which are handwritten notes of probability. This is there. Okay. So now, my dear, we are talking about conditional probability. About conditional probability, I already taught to you in the first 2 classes. So I have taken the slide from there only. So once again, I am just showing you, but otherwise we have already discussed. Let A and B are 2 events associated with same sample space. The conditional probability and event that a given event B where B have already occurred. Okay, so the probability of A when B have already occurred is probability of A intersection B by probability of B, where probability of B should not be equal to 0. Similarly, probability of event A when B is happened can be written like this. Okay, so these all are the same cases of conditional probability. I have given you the table for that already. You can see that I taught that into the second class, all these stuffs. Okay, so right now, my dear, one more thing I would like to say. The probability of A when B have already occurred, the probability of not A when B have already happened is going to be 1. This is something new which I have not given you at that time. It will be used in some of the questions. So guys, this is about the Bayes theorem that also we have discussed in those formula list which I have already shown you before. Okay, probability of happening of A when B have happened is probability of B when A have already happened, probability of A by probability of B. We will be not using this formula actually. I am showing this formula but not telling you, not giving emphasis on this. Why? Because for solving probability, we need not to use or remember these formulas all the times. We will be remembering these formulas only when it is given like probability of A intersection B is this. Otherwise, we are directly solving the question from the common sense like we have done for the cards cases. So I am having all the possibilities. Let us see one by one. So where these things will be given directly, we will use formula. Otherwise, we will go by the statements only. So we will see the question now like this question. Here we read the formula. Probability of A is 1 by 4. Probability of A by B is 1 by 2. Probability of B by A is 2 by 3. Then what is probability of B? So for such cases, we need to remember these formulas. So you can see directly probability of A intersection B is equals to probability of A by B into probability of B. What I have done, I have just taken this term there. And every student I remember from 12th class would be remembering this formula in this way, that here we are dividing it by B, so we are multiplying it by B. And we can also write it in this way. Probability of B by A, and we are dividing by A, so into probability of A. So you just remember this formula, single formula will help you in all the questions. Okay, let me show you the question now. This is the question. What was the formula? Probability of A intersection B. It is equals to probability of A by B. Divide किया तो probability of B से multiply is equals to B by A. Divide A से किया तो multiply by A. Now, my dear, out of these four, they will give you three. They will ask you fourth. This type of question I have seen in GATE. In all the branches they are present, and more than twice they have asked this. Is it clear? Arithro factorial will be used whenever there are multiple combination possible. Like when we are getting one ace, one king, one queen. We can get ace first, we can get king first, we can get queen first. So where combinations are possible, we multiply by factorial. Okay, so this also I taught in the last class if you have attended. What would be the answer for this? Probability of A is given. A is given as 1 by 4. A by B is 1 by 2. B by A is 2 by 3. And they have asked the probability of B. Very easy. B is the answer. Are easy or difficult? Yaar. Easy or difficult? Probability of B is 1 by 3. Moving to the next question. Very good Jeetu, very good Malesh. Everybody is getting it. Shall we move to the next question? कोई doubt किसी को हो तो please बेझिझक पूछ लीजिएगा. I am here to answer your queries. अरित्रो आपको क्लियर हो गया फैक्टोरियल कब यूज करेंगे? When there is a possibility of इंटरनल कॉम्बिनेशन कि एस पहले आया, किंग पहले आया, क्वीन पहले आया, या क्वीन पहले आई, किंग पहले आया, एस पहले आया, या क्वीन पहले आई, किंग पहले आया, एस पे. तो जहां ये कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल हो. ठीक है. मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. एक्स एंड वाई बी टू इवेंट्स. पी एक्स इज 1 by 3, पी एक्स बाय वाई इज 1 by 2, वाई बाय एक्स इज 2 by 5. Then which of the following are correct? This is a MSQ. This is MSQ. More than one option can be correct. Once again, I am giving you the formula. Probability of X intersection Y can be written as probability of X by Y into probability of Y. Probability of Y by X into probability of X. Now I feel you can solve it. And second formula which you will be using, probability of X by Y plus probability of X bar by Y is equals to 1. Solve it and get the answer. Which out of 4 are correct? Arithro, you got it or not? You didn't answer. Aspirant, it is MSQ. More than one can be correct. So you need to answer it one go. You need to answer it one go. I have already solved these questions for you. I will share you the handwritten notes where these are solved. Don't worry about that. Solve it and give the answer. And one is related to X union Y. So for that also I will tell you. Probability of X. These formulas I already taught you. Okay, so from all of your answers, it is looking like A is going to be the part of your answer. As it is MSQ, more than one can be correct. So A is correct for sure. Very good. I am giving green signal to this that yes, A is correct. What about others? What about others? Okay, aspirant is saying B is correct. Okay, I am saying yes, B is also correct. B is also correct. So probability of X is 1 by 3. X by Y is 1 by 2. Y by X is 2 by 5. This will give you probability of Y 4 by 15, which is correct. We know probability of X by Y is 1 by 2. So from this we can write probability of x naught by y is 1 by 2. Yes, correct. What about the third and fourth, C and D? Okay. So Jitu and Malesh have given the combined answer. A and B are correct. Yes, you guys are correct. You guys are correct. Because when you will be finding out x intersection y, when you already know these two values, y by x is 2 by 5 into probability of x is 1 by 3. So it will be coming out to be 2 by 15. So it is for sure it is wrong because the correct value is 2 by 15. Then x union b. So for that you must be knowing about p of x. P of x is 1 by 3. P of y is 4 by 15. Minus x intersection y, we have just calculated 2 by 15. I feel the answer will be coming for this is 7 by 15. So obviously that is not correct. A and B are correct. Very good. Okay, Arin Gupta, very good, dear. So guys, if you have not subscribed the channel, please do that. These formulas also I have given you in that class. If you see the first and second class, I have already given you these formulas. That A intersection B is this. A intersection B intersection C is this. Then A naught, B naught, AB naught, A naught, B naught will also be independent event if A and B are independent events. That also I have given you. This is just for recap. If A, B, C are three events out of which every two are mutually independent, then A intersection B is this, B intersection C is this, C intersection is this. Okay, then this formula also I have given you. Then if A, B, C are independent, you can write like this. All these things have been discussed when I was teaching you independent events. Okay. So coming to the questions, guys. So now we are going to have questions on conditional probability, on total probability, like that, one by one. So let us see how many of you solve it properly. 40% population of a town are voters. So probability of voter is 0.4. 50% are educated, 0.5. 20% are educated voters. Educated intersection voter. A person is chosen at random. First question. He is educated. What is the probability he is voter? So probability of voter if he is already educated. Simply formula based question. You will be having probability of voter intersection educator divided by probability of educator. You can very easily give the answer. Okay. Solve it and get the answer. Solve it and get the answer. Solve it and get the answer. Okay. Probability of voter and educated. Probability of educated. Correct. If he is voter, what is the probability that he is not educated? He is a voter, what is the probability he is not educated? E bar. This you need to find out. If you remember, probability of E by voter, probability of E naught by voter. That is what we need to find out is 1. So if you know probability of E by V, you can answer it. So you need to find out probability of E by V. That will be probability of V is equals to probability of E intersection V. So first of all, from here you can find out this, put it here and get the answer. Tell me the answer, guys. If you find any difficulty, if you feel I am going fast, please tell me. Because I feel this is the game of formula now. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Answer of the second case. Someone have given, aspirant is saying 0.5. I am waiting for others to answer. I am waiting for others to answers. Very good. Very, very good, yaar. So both of you have given the correct answer. It is going to be 0.2. So first of all, we need to find out probability of E bar by V. So probability of E bar by V, 1 minus probability of E by V, 1 minus. What is E by V? Probability of E intersection V, probability of V. 1 minus. E intersection V is 0.2. E of V is 0.4. The answer is 1 by 2. Correct. Very good guys. बहुत ही बढ़िया यार, मजा आ गया. तीसरा भी कर लेंगे क्या? तीसरा कर सकते हैं क्या? What is the probability that he is neither voter nor educated? Neither voter nor educated. He is neither voter nor educated. It is 1 minus voter union educated. 1 minus probability of voter, probability of educated. Very easy, yaar. This is the formula game. Solve it, guys. Solve it, guys. Solve it, guys. And do like and share the session. We are still left with 7 to 8 more problems. And now the real problems will come on the Bayes theorem. Okay, questions are, we have already done on conditional probability. Now we will be having the questions on total probability and Bayes theorem. But you will see, I will not be using the Bayes theorem formula. We will be doing normally. If you want to have good practice on Bayes theorem, you can go for the NCERT questions. NCERT class 12th, because they are directly coming into the examination. I have noticed that. I will share you also if you want. Directly they are coming. Very good. Everyone have given the answer to be 0.3, which is correct. 0.3 is correct. Anybody want me to solve it or satisfied? Anybody wants me to solve it or satisfied with this? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? बोलो भाई. Deepak, Ajit, Jitu, Malesh. Probability of V is 0.4. It is given 1 minus 0.4 plus probability of educated is 0.5 minus 0.2. Okay. 3 men, A, B and C, hit a target with respective probability of 1 by 3. So probability that A will hit a target is 1 by 3. Probability of B will hit the target is 1 by 4. Probability of C will hit the target is 1 by 5. You know that when A is hitting, B is hitting, C is hitting, they are independent events. What is the probability that one of them misses the target? What is the probability that one of them misses the target? Solve it. Let us see how many of you give the right answer for this one. Probability of missing of target. This is possible if A miss the target, B and C do not. Probability of B misses the target, A and C not. Probability of C misses the target, A and B do not. if they are independent, probability of A bar, probability of B, probability of C. Probability of A, I feel now you can do yaar. Probability of A, A, B, C, you know that. What is probability of A bar? 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Probability of B bar, 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Probability of C bar, 4 by 5. Put the value, get the answer. Yes, Arithro, obviously they are independent. From the statement, it is clear they are independent. Okay? Solve it. Is it clear? Because when a person is shooting, if nothing is mentioned, when A is shooting, B is shooting, C is shooting, they are not depending on each other, no? Okay, aspirant is saying 9 by 60. Why not you are saying 3 by 20? Why not you are saying 3 by 20? Probability of A bar is 2 by 3. Probability of B is 1 by 4. Probability of C is 1 by 5. Probability of A is 1 by 3. B is 3 by 4. B bar is 3 by 4. C is 1 by 5. Probability of A, B, C. First is over. If only one misses the target, what is the probability that he is B? Probability of B by M. It will be probability of what? Is it correct? Is it correct? Divide it. Obviously divide it. Okay. Solve it. Probability of B missing the target. What is probability of B missing the target? A intersection B bar intersection C. This will be the answer. Any doubt, please ask, guys. Arey bhai, they are saying only one misses. One misses means either A or B or C. And they are saying the target, what is the probability that he is B? So one person have missed the target. What is the probability that he is B? So that is probability of B intersection M divided by probability of missing the target. And what is the probability of B and missing? That is A do not miss, C do not miss, B is missing. So you know what is this? A, B, C are independent events. P of A, P of B bar, P of C. This is from total probability. P of M we have just calculated. This is P of M. And what is the probability of A, B bar, C? This is the numerator. We will write 1 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 20. This will be your answer. Wonderful question for wonderful students. What would be the answer, guys? What would be the answer, guys? Anybody? You guys have already said 1 by 3 is correct. आ तो रहा है यार. कौन कह रहा था प्रोबेबिलिटी मुश्किल है? Who was saying probability is difficult? आप लोग ही कर रहे हो हैं? Is it clear for everyone? कर लेंगे अब, हो जाएगा. We will be able to make it. Wonderful. Wonderful, guys. Are we ready for other questions? 6 more questions I am having for you guys. Are we ready? Shall we move ahead? 6 more questions. Okay. In a class, 40% students read mathematics. Okay. 40% read mathematics. 25% biology. Okay. And 15% both mathematics and biology. One student was selected at random. Find probability that he reads mathematics if it is known that he reads biology. Probability of mathematics if he already reads biology. So that is nothing but probability of math biology by biology. Very easy question. क्या है यार इस क्वेश्चन में? अब solve it and give the answer. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Now we are moving to some very good questions one by one, slowly, slowly. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Let me switch off the AC. It is creating sound. Solve it, guys. अब सिर्फ वैल्यू पुट करना ही रह गया है. 3/5. This one can you do without my help? This one can you do without my help? B part can you do without my help? Try this. I won't answer purely from your side. I won't answer purely from your side, guys. Oh, very good, yaar. Vinay is saying 3/8. Probability that he reads biology. When it is known he reads mathematics. So probability of M intersection B by probability of M. It is 0.15 by 0.4. So guys, you can join my Telegram channel to get the PDF of the session. And we have a scholarship test. I feel tonight it was going on from 9 to 9. And 27th September, you have a workshop by Richa Gupta ma'am. Last 120 days preparation strategy to ACE GATE 2024. You can register here for free for this workshop. Download the BYJU'S exam prep app to get more quizzes, more sessions, and a lot more. Now some questions from total probability. Now some questions from total probability. That also we have already discussed. Box 1 contains 3 red, 7 blue balls. Box 1 contains 3 red, 7 blue balls. Box 2 contains 6 red, 4 blue balls. A ball is randomly selected from box 1 and placed in box 2. Now if a ball is drawn from box 2, find the probability that ball drawn is red in color. Solve it, guys. These questions are really wonderful. I have already solved them for you. So try to solve it. We are left with 5 more questions. Solve it, guys. Solve it. So we have taken one ball from here and we put it in this. Then we are taking one ball from here. And what is the probability that this is red? What is the probability that this is red? So we need not to have any formula for this. We can directly do it by common sense. Can we? Probability of getting the red ball. (8/3) cannot be the answer, na? How probability can be more than 1? More than 100% probability cannot be. 3 by 8 is correct. Solve this, guys. How to solve this type of question? We have already done the questions of single box. Now we are having 2 box problems. Are we ready? Okay, I am telling you how to solve this type of question. First possibility is the ball I am taking from here is red in color. I am placing that red ball here, and then once again I am taking one ball from here that is also red. That is, he is saying that a ball is randomly selected from one, placed in two, then we are taking one ball from second box. So if we are taking red from this box, the probability of that is 3 by 10. Putting that ball into this, then taking from here that is also red, 6, 6, 9. Now it will be 7 red. Now, when we are placing this red here, it will become 7 red. So 7 by 11. First case. Second, maybe we are taking blue ball from here, putting here and getting red. So blue will be 7 by 10 into 6 by 11. These are 2 possibilities. Solve it and get the answer. Okay, answer is 3 by 10, 7 by 11, 7 by 10, 6 by 11. What would be the answer? Okay. Are we getting it? Are we getting it, guys? Wonderful, wonderful. Are we getting it? Aspirant, Danish, Aritro, Vinay, Arin. Very good. So are we ready for this type of question? Can we do that? Because I am doing one question in front of you. Similar question 2 to 3 I am giving you. Now we are going for the next question of this type. There are 2 bags. First bag contains 5 white, 3 black. 5 white, 3 black. And second contains 3 white, 5 black. 2 balls are drawn at random from the first bag and are put into second bag without noticing their color. Then 2 balls are drawn from second bag. Find probability that balls are white and black. Balls are white and black. This is a very good question. Very good question. इसमें फैक्टोरियल यूज होगा. रित्रो समझ लेना इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से. इसमें आपका फैक्टोरियल यूज होगा. आप पूछ रहे थे ना सर फैक्टोरियल समझ में नहीं आया कैसे लगेगा. इसमें यूज होगा. अभी दिखाऊंगा, देख लेना. So, will you try or shall I start? Will you try or shall I start? Will you try this? Okay, try this. I am waiting for your answer. So guys, we are going to solve all the types of questions. That is the only way to deal with mathematics, because the type you would have practiced here now, you will be doing in exam also. And the type which you will not practice, you will not be able to do in exam. Try this, try this, try this, guys. So next week we will have random variables, guys. Okay. I am reminding you again and again so that you remember it. Okay. Fine. So you have tried, that's great. So now I am trying for you guys. So guys, shall I start? This is a very good question actually. Arithro, you take care of this question. Your doubt of factorial will also be cleared now. Okay. So we are going to take 3 cases in this. First case can be, I take 2 white balls from this and put it here. We are going to take 2 balls from here and we are not even looking at the color. And we are placing those 2 balls here. And then we are taking 2 balls from here. What is the probability that one of them is white, other of them is black? That is what they are asking. That is what they are asking. Okay. So let us start. So when we are taking 2 balls, both of them are white. So can I write, first of all, it will be from first white, 5/8. Second white, 4/7. As both are whites, we will not be having any factorial. Okay. Then my dear, these 2 are placed here. Then we are taking the first one white, second one black, or first one black, second one white. So here factorial will come. So I will find out the probability of one case and multiply with the 2 factorial. So if I am putting 2 balls here, both were white. Remember, both were white. So when both were white, now total 5 whites are there. So 5/10, and next will be black, 5/9. And it may be first white, second black, second white, first black. So for that I will multiply it with the 2 factorial. How many of you understood the first case? How many of you understood the first case? Please tell me. Everybody? Second case is whatever 2 balls we have taken, they can be black. We are taking 2 black ball out, putting it here, and then we are finding 1 white and 1 black from here. That can also be the case. So if we are taking 2 black balls, we will be writing 3/8 into 2/7. As both are black, they cannot be in 2 factorial, they can be in one way only. There is no combination possible. Then you are putting them here. So now they are becoming 7 black. So 7 of 10 or 3 of 9. And they can be done in 2 factorial ways. Maybe first one is black, second one is white. So multiply by 2 factorial. Third case can be, I am taking 1 white, 1 black out, putting it here, and here also I am getting 1 white, 1 black. So for that, what I will write? 1 white, 1 black. 5/8 into 2/7. This can be done in 2 factorial ways. Maybe first one is white, second one is black. Then now 4 white, 6 black. 4/10, 6/9. This can also be done in 2 factorial ways. Everybody understood? Please tell me that. 2 marks question of GATE, NAT, numerical answer time. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया? Yes, I am once again repeating it. What is the first case? I am taking 2 white ball out, placing it here, then taking 1 black, 1 white out. Okay, first cases. So first white will be 5/8. Second white will be 4/7. It's fine. And as both are white, we need not to multiply with 2 factorial. Then we are putting both of them here. Both were white. So 3 white will become 5 white. Total are 10 balls now. So from 5 white, I am taking 1 white. From 5 black, I am taking 1 black. So 5 by 10, 5 by 9. Because once I take 1, it will remain 9. So next is 5 by 9. But we can also get black first. We can also get white first. So multiplied by 2 factorial. The same will be there if we are going to take 2 black out. Putting them there, then we are getting 1 white and 1 black. Third case is we are taking 1 black, 1 white. Putting it here, taking 1 black, 1 white. So these are the 3 cases. If any of them will occur, we will get the answer. We will get 1 white and 1 black. Is it clear? Everybody understood? Everybody understood? अगर आप सेम ड्रॉ से भी जाओगे ना, पापा का घोड़ा जो आप बोल रहे हो, उसमें फिर ये कैसे कवर होगा? This will also be a possibility, na? That's why. Is it clear? Everybody understood? Aspirant, third case is we are taking 1 white, 1 black. So for 1 white, 5 by 8. For 1 black, 3 by 7. Okay? So that is how. 2 factorial. Okay? Why 2 factorial? Maybe first one is black, maybe second one is white, maybe first one is white, second one is black. Okay, 2 by 7. Dear, okay, we have actually kept 1 white, 1 black. 4 white, 6 black. 4 white, 6 black, 4 by 10, 6 by 9. Okay, here. 3 by 7. You are correct. Very good, Vinay. आया कि नहीं? आया कि नहीं? लेवल देख रहे हो क्वेश्चन का? ये मतलब खतरनाक, इससे खतरनाक लेवल नहीं हो सकता. Is it clear for everyone? सर ये क्या करा रहे हो? ये नहीं कराओ, आसान वाले कराओ. अरे आया कि नहीं भाई? मेहनत तो यही कराना था ना. यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए तो इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. एंड डोंट वरी, 1-2 ऐसे क्वेश्चन करोगे, होने लगेगा. ठीक है, 1-2 ऐसे क्वेश्चन करोगे, होने लगेगा. ओके, सो शैल आई गिव यू दीज 2-3 क्वेश्चन एज होमवर्क? विल यू ट्राई बाय योरसेल्फ? विल यू ट्राई बाय योरसेल्फ? शैल आई गिव यू 2-3 क्वेश्चन एज होमवर्क? नहीं सर, आप ही करा दो. यस, आई एम हैविंग टोटल 18 क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. ओके, पक्का है? पक्का है? ओके, so I am leaving here and next class we will be discussing the random variables. These are some question for homework and I am sharing the solution of these questions to you, up to 18 questions. All the questions I am sharing you in the form of handwritten notes because I have made it for you already. Okay, so I will share it by tonight only. You just need to watch at these questions and if you find any question doubtful after looking at the solution, you can ask me. Whatever question you will say as doubt, I will take that in the next class. Okay, so guys, next session we will be having random variable. सब कुछ होगा भाई, सब कुछ होगा. Actually on weekends we are going with mathematics. On regular days we are going with different subject. Like last week we were having strength of material. This week we will have theory of machines. So one by one we will cover every subject. Okay, so here I am saying goodbye to all of you because I know at instantly I cannot extend the class to 2 hours, but from next month we will do that for differential equation and I will share it. Any question if you find, sir, we are unable to do that question I will come in the next class. Okay, so goodbye for this particular session. We will meet again and thanks for your love and support, guys. Continue that love and support so that I can continue all the things for you in a very nice manner. Goodbye for this session. Sure, Malay, sure. We will take it.